Hi, my name is Kerry Lyons and I work for Trelleborg Applied Technologies as the Global Sales Manager, and I'm responsible for aerospace and industrial markets. We have started using video conferencing and videos to communicate with our customers, and therefore this is the third video that we've done talking about our epoxy tooling board range. I'm going to tell you about a new product, TC760X, which is part of our premium range. The number one thing about TC760X is it is dust free. So when you machine it, it forms chips that falls to the machine bed rather than dust that sticks to the inside of the machine and the tooling. So this is obviously good for the environment. It's excellent for the operators who operate the machines. There's no need for any complicated or expensive extraction. It reduces downstream processing and time and cost regarding the cleaning. And because it doesn't need any extraction, it can be used on a milling machine anywhere in the shop. It produces an A-class surface finish, which needs only 4 coats of sealer, which again can reduce downstream processing time and cost. It's suitable for operation at 135 degrees C, so it's good for direct to part use when using a 135 pre-preg cure material, or it can be used as a master model or a tool. It's got excellent edge definition. So if you have any dust related issues and want to be more environmentally friendly, then you can contact me for more information. We have a case study we can share, and we have a YouTube clip and lots of other videos. Thank you, and our contact details should be on the screen.